The Urbane Geberit Behind the Wall Suite combines Australia's leading toilet brand with Europe's best system. It is available in both standard and compact sizes, giving the option to maintain a modern feel in bathrooms with tight spaces. For a minimalist, streamlined look, behind the wall toilets hide the cistern within the wall cavity. The Urbane Geberit Suite offers a unique range of flush plate colour finishes that are exclusively compatible with Geberit cisterns. This toilet includes a more durable seat manufactured from high quality thermoset material, ensuring a longer lifespan. It has a contemporary D-shaped design and a soft closed detachable seat, so there are no hard to reach places, making cleaning easy. Like all Caroma products, this toilet includes GermGuard antimicrobial protection built into the seat and pan, eliminating 99% of bacteria on contact. For a touch of Europe and the option to save space in your bathroom, you can't look past the Urbane Geberit Behind the Wall Suite.